Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome as well. My name is Dami, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my first ever YouTube paycheck that I received ever. So before I get started, I just want to say thanks to everyone who subscribed to me. Y'all are the real MVPs. You saw my videos and you thought, that's someone I would like to subscribe to, and you subscribe to me. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who comments, likes, shares, basically anyone who even clicks on the video, supports me in whatever way possible. Thanks. Even to the people who leave bad comments and dislike. Thanks for putting money in my pocket, sis. So I started my channel over a year and a half ago, and I didn't actually start monetizing my videos until January this year. Last year, you guys know YouTube went through that whole process of changing the monetization process, and they made it harder for smaller people to get monetized, and I understand because it was getting to a point where random people were just doing random stuff and getting monetized. So I get it. Finally, in January this year, I started getting monetized. That's a whole process, and it's pretty simple. You go through it. Google guides you through every single process. You don't need anyone to help you with that. It's literally basic stuff. So the first ever YouTube paycheck I got was a total of, drum roll please, $1,036.91. And in no means is that a lot of money, but I'm still very thankful for it. I don't know if you guys understand, because I do this because I enjoy doing it. I do it because I like to talk to a camera, and I like to edit videos, and I like to spend my time that way. I just find it fun and productive instead of going on social media for 24 hours a day. I could just talk to a camera and edit, and that way I'm actually doing something productive. So to be in a position where I can actually do something I enjoy and then get paid for it is muy bien.
Muy bien. Muy bien.
Muy bien. That doesn't even cover the amount of equipment I've bought for YouTube. I bought it because I just like to buy nice things. It wasn't necessary, but I got it, and that money doesn't even cover my equipment. So by no means is it a lot, but I'm still very, very thankful for it. I'm thankful to God. I'm thankful to everyone who supports me. I'm thankful to everyone, especially since I started my channel on zero. I don't think you guys get it. I think when I started my channel, I told 2 people or 3 people, so I had 3 subscribers on my channel, and everyone who found out after that was an accident. My parents, my friends, basically all my friends found my YouTube channel accidentally. It just popped up on their recommended or things like that, and they're just what, you have a YouTube channel? And it's yeah, that's how. So basically every single person who has subscribed to me is because they saw my video somewhere, or they got my video recommended to them and they watched it. So I never promote my channel, I never talk about my channel. It's not something I will talk about because it's basically something I do for fun, and I don't really see the fun of it if I go around telling people, hey, go watch my channel. So I just post my videos, and I hope that it reaches people. I hope that people see it. If people don't see it, that's fine, but I don't know, I just be doing my own thing, you know? Thank you guys so much for everything. Thanks for all you've done. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.